Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be opening my new Fidget toy. So I just came back from Walmart and I've been seeing these a lot on YouTube and TikTok. So yeah, I thought I'd open it with you. It's called a ASMR Recorder Cube by Sensory FX. It's probably backwards. But yeah, and it has a whole bunch of different stuff. And right here, feels so good. So yeah, thought I'd open it with you.
If I can. Just brush my pencil. That's fine, I'll just take tape off. There's quite a lot of tape on here. I found monkey noodles, with a monkey noodle box at Walmart. But somebody stole the actual monkey noodles, which I was very sad about. So I wanted one. Also, I did a good deed today. What happened? My phone. Oh, I'm bored. I did a good deed today. What? And I gave a homeless man $20. I felt like it. I don't know. I was like, what's the thing?
I got some of it off. I think I got the top of it off. Okay, I'm back. And I still haven't, I got it undone. So I think it needs batteries. But yeah. It's just like textured block. It's like grass almost. Feels amazing. Oh, I'm so excited. That is awesome. Let's see. It goes for these. That is awesome. And then down here. And then it says to open. Oh, there's some buttons down here. I think this is where I have to put the batteries. I have to pull this. Oh no. That's awesome. Hey guys, it's me Jessica, and I realized that after I recorded this video, I don't think I mentioned that this is actually a recording device. So this square button right here, or this circle button is to record. So you press it once. This button is the play button to play and pause, and then this one is to delete the recording. The circle button is to record. So you press it once. This button is the play button to play and pause, and then this one is to delete the recording. So I deleted it with the square. I'm going to press play. Nothing happens. Bye. This is so cool. Can I it shows I could undo all of it to make it like a flat cube, but I don't know how. Oh well. Look at how cool it is. There's a little pressers. Here's the buttons. Looks like a face. And we have more buttons. We have this little thing that comes with it. And then what you do is you slide it onto here. But yeah, that is my Fidget Cube. Hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.